until 8:30 a.m. for weekly. Northeastern Dyer, northern Gibson, Obion, and southeastern Lake counties. At 7:56 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Union City to near Troy to Cloverdale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martin, Union City, McKenzie, Fulton, New Bern, Dresden, South Fulton, Dyer, Greenfield, Ridgely, Gleason, Troy, Kenton, Rutherford, Obion, Bradford, Sharon, Latham, Clayton, and Cloverdale. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 a.m. for the following counties in Tennessee, Obion and Weakley.